This is a quick tutorial of GoVenture Health. After you log in and click play, you'll be able to play the game. Start a new game and read the disclaimer. You have to read and accept this disclaimer before continuing. If you're a young person, ask your instructor or parent for assistance before accepting this disclaimer. You will then see the main screen. Here we can choose from 10 different categories, and by clicking on a category, we'll see the subjects within that category. Some categories have a number of subjects that we can scroll through, and we can choose a subject to review it. Here is the cells and DNA subject. Each subject has a series of topic pages. This is one topic page. We can see how many topic pages there are here at the bottom. As we visit each page, the topic page number will light up. We can use the navigation button here to flip through each page. The information is displayed in a photo book style. And as you click, you can read and scroll through the content. At the end of each topic page, there's a quiz. Click to take the quiz. Each quiz has 3 questions. If you answer the questions correctly, you'll earn a gold coin and complete that topic. I'm going to close the quiz for now. Continue to navigate and review each topic page until you complete all topic pages. You can also jump back to any particular page using the drop-down menu here, or jump forward to another topic page. You can then play games. There are several games to choose from, and each game records your high score and provides you with points. You can play a game multiple times, and you can take quizzes multiple times to try to improve your points and your score. The highest score is always retained. As you earn gold coins and points, additional features will unlock in the program. You can monitor your results using the smartphone on the right-hand side. And if we go back to the subject screen, we can also see our coins and points and score underneath each of our subjects. To review our overall performance, we can click the Performance button and see a very detailed report of how we're doing and what we've accomplished so far. Use the menu to go back to the subject screen, view your performance report, save your progress, although your progress is automatically saved as you navigate and play the game. However, there is a manual save button here in case you want to try saving again, or if you have any internet connectivity issues and you'd like to try a save immediately, you can do so with this button. You can also adjust the sound options here and quit playing the game completely. That's it. Pretty straightforward. We hope you like GoVenture Health.